Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So as promised, I'm back to do the part 2 video of Herrschners' new Turkish yarn that they have. That it's an inexpensive yarn that they carry now. If you have not seen part 1 of that video, I'll put a link to that below. You should check it out. So let's go. Oh, and I got 2 mystery boxes from there to show you too. So let's go ahead and do the rest of the Turkish yarn here, and we can look at it. So I gave, you know, what you watch the other video, you can see what I thought about it. My scissors here. The hat that I'm wearing, I do have a tutorial for it. This, if you go to my playlist of hats, it's called my chocolate bonbon beanie. This one was made for me by my good friend Rose from Rose Likes Crochet, and she told me that she used a Caron crystal cake to make this. So thank you, Rose, if you're watching. But yes, it is a tutorial. I do have a tutorial for it. It's my favorite hat tutorial that I have. All right, let's check it out. I won't cut myself, I promise. I try not to. Ooh. What is this stuff? This is it. This is it. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Well. Let's see what we got in this box. Okay. Okay, so remember, this is part 2 of, this is from Herrschners Yarns. I purchased this. I noticed that they had this line of inexpensive packs, like 5 packs of yarn, and I think that it's cool that they were offering, you know, packs of yarn inexpensive, because especially, you know, nowadays the price is pretty high. So ooh, let's start out with this one. This one looks beautiful. I do love brown, as always. It is my favorite color. Let's look here. So this one is called Beste, I guess. There you go. That's what that one is. And this one is $10 for the whole bag of 5. So $2 a piece. You got to buy the whole bag though. They sell them by the bag. I don't think that's a bad price. So let's look at it. It smells clean. Feels good. Let's read it. 100% acrylic. 100 grams, 292 meters. So that's over 300 yards. Made in Turkey. Machine washed, lay flat. They've all said to lay flat. I'm not certain why. But so this is it. It's a mild kind of look. It's probably a 4 weight, pushing a 4, thinner 4, but 4. I like it. I think it's really pretty. I like yarns that are brown. When they're brown and they're like kind of marble like that, I think that's really pretty. I think it's worth $2 definitely, especially for the amount of yardage you get with it. Break test. Let me try one thing with it real quick. Crochet test to J hook. That's thin. Okay, so that's like a 3 weight. Once you get the crochet, you get it on your hook, it stretches out a bit. Because when I was looking at it, at the strands itself, it looked a little splitty, but splitting all depends on the person, I guess. And if anybody can make a yarn split, it's probably me. No, it's not splitting at all. Not splitting. For me, anyways. Yeah. It's not bad. I'm not going to test them all like this, but I wanted to test this one real quick. Since it broke kind of easy. Crocheting a little bitty small sample. Alright, it crochets fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I like this one. Yeah, it's definitely like 3 though. But a thicker 3 though. It's not like a mandala 3. But yeah, it didn't split or anything on me. Looks cool. It's busy looking, but I like the I think it looks cool. It's like a different busy, a marled, like a marled looking busy. I like that one. Definitely worth $2 a ball. So yes, I would buy the Beste again. I'm probably not saying that right, but that's what that one is. I like that one. Nice. You know, the color could be dragging me towards it too. No, it's very pretty. I like it. Let's see what else we got here. Up in here. Okay. And then we got, this one is called, I'm not going to be able to say this one. I'll just hold it up. Eylül. Let's look at this one. It's bulky. That smells like it has wool in it. Oh, it does. I could smell it. It's 80 acrylic and 20 wool. I actually thought these were all acrylic, but no. Feels good. It's not itchy. So these are $12. This is $12 for a 5-pack. Good price. That's a nice, thick, bulky 5. Can't break that one. It's not breakable. All right, this one looks good. This one looks nice too. Okay, so it's, like I said, 20 wool, 80 acrylic, 96 meters. So, you know, you got about 107 yards or something. But it is a bulkier yarn, and it's got that twist to it, you can see. Kind of reminds you of a little bit of Premier Puzzle or something, but I know they don't have wool in theirs, but I like this one. I do like this one. The color of this one is called Mint. This one was called Brown and White. You'll notice in my other video they weren't big on their, not a lot of yardage in this one, but I like it. I like it because it has the wool in it, and it feels good, and I like it that it's bulky. It smells like wool, hardcore. That's nice. Definitely 100% buy that one again. Let's see what else we got here. Kuzey. This is Kuzey. %100% acrylic. Feel like Red Heart Super Saver. Nothing wrong with Red Heart Super Saver though. I buy it. I use it often. Let's see what we got. The Kuzey is $8 for a bag of 5, so it was 5-pack for $8. And it's 100 grams, 100% acrylic, 172 meters, so a little over 200 yards. And it's a 4-weight, and it's just almost identical to Red Heart Super Saver. That's what I would compare it to, as the way that feels, the way it looks. It smells clean. I'd buy it again if I was show. Okay. What's this one? Oh, I think I might have showed you this last time. Did I? I did. Twist. I got this one last time, and I said I liked it in my last video. This is another color of it I got. Last time I got a yellow and gray one. Remember I sang Twist and Shout. Twist and Shout. Yeah, I like that one too. It's a bulky. In case you didn't watch my first video, it's $12 for a bag of 5. It's 100% acrylic. 130 meters, about 150 yards. It's a nice thick bulky too. I like the color of this one too. Pretty. It's kind of fally. Yeah. I might keep that one. For the fall. It's good hat making material. I always have my keep pile over here. I threw my wool in the giveaway pile. I can't do that. I don't need all this wool, but I will probably keep a couple balls of that hat, that one that's partially wool. All right, I got one more in here, and then I'll do the mystery box. All right, I hit a light up there. This one was called their Pretty Yarn. It was $12 for 5 of them. I see these in their mystery bag. Oh no, I don't know. I've seen these before. I don't know where I've seen them. Maybe Mary Maxim's mystery bags. It feels soft. Okay, this is what this one is. So $12 for 5. It's a very, very pretty color. One of my favorites. So this one is it's just called Rust. Pumpkin, but it's still very pretty. Let's see. Still very pretty. Let's read what it is. 100% polyacrylic. It's written in another language, so it's going to be hard. I do my best. Where's the yardage at? 100 grams or 166 meters, so about 180 yards. And it appears to be about a 4-weight. This is nice too. Nice. I like this one. Don't break on me, it's easy. So that is nice, yeah. I'll definitely buy that again. 12 bucks for 5. So yeah, that's a good deal on those. I got it in another color here too, coral. I won't open that because I'll probably end up donating or giving it away or something. So I'm not going to open it, but yes, coral color. Okay, so those were all the rest of the Turkish yarns that I had purchased. They might have had one more that I didn't get because I didn't see it till too late, but some type of baby one. But anyways, they were all pretty good, you know. Of course, I think I like the acrylic wool one the best. They're all very pretty. I think they're all worth the money. Watch my other video that they're asking. They're very inexpensive yarns, so definitely good. Like I said, whenever I read the comments on my last video, a lot of people said that they do a lot of charity work, so great for that, you know. And of course, I would use this stuff and make hats and stuff with it for myself, because that's what I make for me. Anyways, mystery box time. Mystery box time. All right, Herrschners has mystery box as well. It's actually Willow Yarns. It's a sister company to Herrschners. Oh wait, I got this too. This was a 5-pack, but it wasn't part of their Turkish yarn series. This is their Noble Hill yarn. This is a brand that Herrschner sells. This is called Nova. Isn't that beautiful? It's a bulky 5, 100% acrylic, 109 yards, machine wash, lay flat, made in Turkey. Feels good. Anyways, this was a pack of 5. I don't know how much it was. Where's my sheet? They didn't give me no sheet. I'm going to guess that it was around the price of these, because I actually thought this was one of them at first until later that I looked. So it was probably between 8 and 10 bucks for 5. That's my guess. But anyways, I like them. I'm going to keep these because I had something in mind to make with these when I got them. Okay, let's look at these mystery bags. Okay, Willow Yarns, if you don't know, is a sister company to Herrschners. So if you go on Herrschners' website, they'll have it where you can shop at Herrschners or Willow's, or everything kind of comes up together sometimes. Willow has mystery bags, wool mystery bags. So it's like a wool blended yarns most of the time, and they're $14.99. So I got 2 of them. And they're always pretty good. I don't think I've ever got any from them that wasn't worth $15. So, I like the willow wheels in here. Let's open this up, won't you? I got 2 in here, so I'll show you. And I always try to buy 2 of the mystery bags so I can see if they're going to be the same or not. In my experience, when it comes to buying mystery bags off Willow, a lot of times they'll be the same, but different colors of the same yarn that's in there. Most of the time. So we got some burrow. I like the Willow burrow. It's this one's a 4-weight, 75 acrylic, 25 wool. Rosette is the color name. 197 yards. I got this beautiful pink. That's very pretty. I like that one. And then I got some more of it. 2 more, but they're different colors. The color of this one is called chartreuse. Chartreuse. Eric! I know I didn't say that right. I know the color of it. I didn't say it. Hey, what's it? How do you say that?
Chartreuse.
Chartreuse?
Chartreuse. Is that right? Chartreuse.
That's what it is. I've seen the color a gazillion times.
I may be wrong.
I think I'm wrong too, but anyways, that's very pretty. It's like a lime green, lime yellow, I guess. And then I got the pink, and then I got 4 of the willow wheels. So that's nice. I like the willow wheels. They are 377 yards or 139 grams. It's 70 acrylic, 30 wool. Smells like wool. They are a lightweight number 3.
Oh, sorry to interrupt your informational thing there. But chartreuse is a French herbal liquor available in green and yellow versions that differ in taste and alcohol content. So yeah, chartreuse. Chartreuse.
All right. Thanks for that, Mr. Bod. Education today. The color of this is called foliage. That's beautiful. I've had this before. Might have some now, and I don't know, but it's very, very pretty. And they gave me 4 of them it's a DK weight though. It is a lightweight 3. See that? But it's a self-striping, 377 yards, and I got 4, all the same color in that bag. So that's nice. This bag's definitely worth $15. And then, is this a pattern? Yes, a pattern for this granny stitch solar flare shawl. But I don't read those, but I do save them for giveaways. All right, so that was a nice mystery bag. $14.99. And I had a coupon. I don't know where the coupon came from. I think it was one they were having at the time. So actually, I think it was 15% off. So that was my first one. Here's my second, which it looks to be similar, but different colors. Let's look at it anyways. Oh, look, they just gave me all purples and stuff. Again, my friend Rose would love this bag. Yes, she would. All right, so I got 2 more of the burrows. Oh, they're different. No. 3 of the burrows. They're all different colors. They all go together nicely, though, don't they? This one is Purple Heart, Deep Purple, and Cadet Blue. I think they are nice. I like them. And then I got 4 more of the wills. This one's really pretty. That's pretty, isn't it? That's a lot of yardage. They give you 4 of them at 377 yards each in a mystery bag. And you know what? It's enough to make you a nice size project. Cosmos. I like it. So, and a pattern. Oh, it's different. The seaside doormats. I will save that for someone else. So that is my mystery bags. I like them. Definitely. I always recommend Willow's and Herrschners or whatever. They're mystery bags. I always think they're worth $15. I mean, they just are. And all this other yarn, their Turkish yarn line between this video, this is part 2 and part 1. I think that it's all nice. So I'm very happy with everything that I got from Herrschners. I really like Herrschners and Willow yarns. Herrschners, Willow, same thing. Great company. And one day I hope to make it to their warehouse sale. I really wanted to go so bad this year. I live about 6.5 hours away from it though, south of it. But one day I'll make it there. One day. If you guys ever made it to one of their warehouse sales, let me know how it went. Did they got killer deals? I really want to go. Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Stay safe. Take care. Bye, guys.